What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video. And today, if you are looking at a projector to get one during the holidays, here's one for you. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. If you want to get one of these as well, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So let's open this up and see how well it does. Here we go. Got a projector screen right here, very nice. Projector also comes with a carrying case just like this one. It has a bunch of zippers right here, zippers on the side as well, right here, for different accessories, very nice. And then up here is the projector itself. There we go. Nice addition. Comes with the carrying case. Projector itself right there. Let's take out the plastic. Some glossy feel at the front there. What else comes in the box? A few stuff here like the screen projector, little string so that you can mount it on the wall. It's a remote right here. Very nice. Comes with the plug-in as well, right there. Polishing cloth, instruction manual right there on how to use it, and also clips so that you can mount your projector screen. Very nice. So here there's a VGA slot right there for PC. You can also use an IR blaster right there for your remote. There's the audio output right there. There's the plug-in right there for the AC adapter. 2 USB ports right there and 2 HDMI ports. Pretty nice. This one is a little wheel. I've seen this once from another projector. Pretty much is used for keystone. On top here is the focus lens. You adjust it like that. Right here is a power button. Right there. Very nice design. It comes with the VAABZZ right there. Very nice little tag right there. Little classy look there. Pretty nice. Right here is another AR blaster right there at the front. The side comes with vents as well right here. And also on the other side is the speakers. We're looking at the bottom now. It comes with 4 screws there for mounting it on the ceiling. It also comes with this so that you can adjust this angle for if you're mounting it on the table or something like that. There's also on this side right here, there's also vents that you can pull out. There it is. Pull it out like so. And then you can go ahead and clean this out. Just wash it on the sink and you'll be good to go. Then once you're done, just put it back like so. Gets in there pretty tight so it won't fall off. Here it is, we have it set up. This is how far it is from the wall, and it's not bad projection actually. So this is what the projector looks like. Some menu button right here to show the display. Change if you want different contrast right there. Change the volume as well, like so. Change the orientation if you have it mounted on the ceiling or vice versa. It's also the sound mode where you can change the equalizer right there, music, movie, or you can change it yourself right there. Image is right there with aspect ratio. You can change it to 16:9 or 14:4:3. Projection, again, you can change it to whatever you want. Then HDMI range, change it to what you want there. You can put a timer as well on that. You can put a factory reset, or you can connect it to a Bluetooth speaker, like by doing this. Pretty cool. There's also the menu right here where you can change the source. One is screen mirroring or your media player. If you have a USB, you can put videos and photos there and you'll be able to see it by clicking that. So go ahead and try the screen mirroring right here. You go to your phone right here. You go to Wi-Fi settings right there. And then pretty much you're gonna look for the lollipop right there. Password is 128. Hit join. There you go. Once you're good with that, you can go ahead and scan the QR code. It's gonna go to this website right here. Let's hit the Wi-Fi right there. Again, we're gonna add our Wi-Fi right here. As you can see there, it'll say that it's connecting. And once it's connected, you're good to go. Now all you need to do is go to your control center, hit screen mirroring right here, and hit lollipop. And as you can see, I'm able to mirror my phone on there. Now let's go ahead and play some games here. As you can see, you're able to play the game. No problem at all. Let's do a mission here. There we go. Now let's go ahead and try some YouTube videos right here and see how well it does. Let's try some Dolby Cinema here. Let's change this.
Dolby Cinema. It's one of the most advanced cinematic technology you've ever experienced. Get this. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of the scene is fury. That is about to reveal an entire universe of color.
And also use this for watching TikTok videos.
I took a shower washing every body part with actual soap, including all my major crevices, including in between. No, by the time we bought some money on people. Hey, Morgan, I forgot my skirt. This is one of the most Who's your favorite superhero?
If you're tired of eating cold cereal in the morning because you just never...
This is just a regular beaker.
Here we are with our air shack build. The holes underneath.
And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new projector just like this one. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. There might be a discount code there as well, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!